So kiss me on the way home.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Brandstag, and today I got a new video for you. It's something different, just a quick video, just an explanation and a quick tutorial on why the audio isn't mono and it splits even after you try going into your settings. I'll quickly show you. So if you go into your computer settings, when you're editing a video and it sounds fine on the PC, but you upload it onto YouTube and it's the voice or the separate from the PC itself, the audios are one's coming out of one speaker and one's coming out of the other. So if you go into your computer settings and you've checked the mono, check that it's turned on and off, on or off. The on means that all of the different sources of audio are converted into one, so you can hear everything on the same channel, let's say. So you've got that sorted, and you're still thinking, why is this happening when I upload videos or something similar to that? So I was troubleshooting it. I just recorded myself saying a couple of words, listened to it on my phone, and it was still, you know, my voice was coming out of the top speaker on my phone and the other audio is coming out of the other speaker. So I was thinking, right, this will vary on the editing software you use, you know, like Premiere, Movavi, OpenShot, just whatever. So I'll just choose, this is what I use for some. It depends on the video. If it's gaming and if it's something simple, I'll probably use OpenShot. So you just go to File, Export Video. So you just, you know, name it what you want. Usually in 1080p, 60 FPS. But if you're having the audio issues, go to Advanced, in the Advanced tab, and go to Audio Settings, and channel layout to mono. Mono is, which I explained before, it's putting them together so the voice audio sounds normal and not separate to the other track, which resolves the issue. So if you have any questions, or I just wanted to give you an update and an explanation why it was happening to my recent videos. It's going to happen to the rest of my Outlast and my Portal videos, but the rest I'll know for next time to do this. But yeah, if you have any queries, just put down in the comments and let us know. And yeah, show a thumbs up if this helped. If it's any other software, just give us a holler and I'll have a look for you. If not, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.